EA250W2 indoor LED screen can be directly installed on the wall with a simple structure support. Front-end maintenance, greatly simplifying the maintenance process. EA250W2 LED screen supports front service, which is simple and efficient. With the vacuum suction cup tool, it greatly saves time and labor costs. EA250W2 series LED cabinet has a beautiful design, simple and modern appearance, and perfectly combines aesthetics and functionality. The internal layout of the cabinet fully considers user needs, making installation and maintenance more convenient and efficient. EA250W2 LED screen is available in 5 different sizes: 500x250mm, 750x250mm, 1000x250mm, 500x500mm, and 1000x500mm, which can flexibly adapt to various venue requirements. If you want, the EA250W2 LED display can come with customized 45-degree beveled cabinets, so it easily fits around spots like pillars or corners. You can even connect the screens at a 90-degree angle, which is perfect for odd-shaped or tight spaces. The EA250W2 indoor LED wall performs exceptionally well in various indoor scenarios such as home entertainment and commercial displays. With its high contrast ratio and high refresh rate, the EA250W2 LED display delivers more realistic and vibrant visual effects. The EA250W2 wallpaper-style indoor LED wall is widely used across many indoor settings. It's ideal for home theaters, in-store advertising screens, conference room displays, hotel lobbies, and more.